pictures. You can't tell it. Honestly, though, Ghost Adventures is serious shit.
Will you be able to hear it?
Yeah, that's a cat purring. He's insane.
I feel like it gets louder, too. If you, like, touch him and shit. The guy, like, scared the shit out of him, and he's fucking still purring. Well, she'll still be purring.
His issues. He's been doing this for a long time.
You missed it. Pay attention now.
Just freaking cats.
Oh, don't punch him.
I didn't know.
Made like a thud. It was like.
That's because his bone is right here.
Oh, he even got socked and he didn't stop purring. Bitch be crazy. Bitch be crazy.
You're a seriously weird cat.
Yeah.
He's so chill, but yet he's so weird.
He heard that comment. He was like, I'm just gonna give you this weird look. And that's about it. That's all she wrote, you know.
Sounds like a freaking little massage. Oh, I thought he stopped.
You're still going? Oh, wait, that's not. I wonder if someone.
I think he stopped.
Oh my.
Wait.
Yeah.
He's still going.
And he stopped for like a split second and he's like, wait, this is weird. I'm going back to that purring shit that I did.
Oh, he stopped. What the hell? Maybe because he saw that.
Maybe he's getting scared.
Let's look at that ad.